The past year of virtual learning has left working parents like Mike Pearson spinning.
It's been a challenge.
And while Mike's 5-year-old son Asa is not at the front of the list to go back to in-person kindergarten next week in Philly, he would send him in a heartbeat. Would you feel comfortable sending Asa back to the classroom if you could?
Yes, I would 100% feel comfortable.
But not everyone agrees.
We are asking the school district of Philadelphia to slow down so that people don't die.
In a virtual rally tonight, members of Our City, Our Schools, a coalition of diverse parents, advocates, and educators, supported the teachers union, voicing their opposition to sending kids back to school so soon.
Vaccines need to be widely available, like for people to be going back into these schools. There needs to be proper ventilation in the buildings.
New CDC guidelines for reopening schools prioritize mask wearing, physical distancing, and they consider the amount of coronavirus spread in communities. But public health experts have argued full school vaccinations are not necessary to reopen.
We need to get the kids back.
Dr. David Kerner is the medical director for 12 school districts across 3 South Jersey counties, where some schools are just starting hybrid classes.
There's no such thing as no virus. There's never going to be zero virus. There's never going to be no risk. We just have to learn with mitigated risk and how do we get back in safely.
Back in Philly, the district says they've already implemented CDC guidelines, but the teachers union isn't budging. Both still working with a third-party mediator to see if class will be in session in person next week. But that means the wait for students continues. And I should say, in speaking with both the local teachers union and the school district of Philadelphia tonight, you can really tell that the pressure is on both sides. They are feeling it as we wait for what happens over the course of this next week. And I should say also, the country is watching what happens with Philadelphia schools in these coming days. For now, from the school district of Philadelphia, Danny Freeman, NBC10 News.